thinking about the Kenilworth apartments behind us?
Okay, so I was thinking on my walk to come meet you that maybe like 10 years ago, before I knew any better, I would have thought that like this building is so ugly and the building next to it is so beautiful, and like why can't every apartment look like that? But I feel like I've come to grow really fond of sort of like the 60s, 70s. I don't know. I have no clue when these were built, but more of the like post-war architecture. I've come to appreciate it a lot more, and like it's got its own unique quality. And I'm just thinking about how like the opportunity for color with the metal panels like makes it really cool. You wouldn't necessarily want to put a lot of paint on a nice brick building, so now you get your dose of color in the neighborhood. And like they don't have to necessarily be in competition. They both can have their positives.
Yeah, and the contrast behind you is really quite fun. You know, you have a century between these two buildings behind you, and you know, having these buildings here really shows the way that neighborhoods and places and architecture has changed.
Yeah, for sure.
I mean, this building just is really, this is very 1960s realness over here. And, you know, as the march of time goes on, it becomes stylish again. It's interesting, innovative, and it's like all of a sudden in vogue. And so it'll be interesting to see how that taste continues to shift.
Yeah, and also that like different architecture styles can coexist and still make a cohesive neighborhood.
Exactly.